If you would like to see how to create this eye makeup look, then keep watching. First I'm taking my concealer and using that as an eyeshadow base and applying that all over my lid. I'm just using my transparent powder to set my eyelids. Then I'm taking my bronzer, which you can get from Chemist Warehouse. It's an awesome brand and it's so cheap. I've had it for so many years now and I keep going back because it's just such a good matte bronzer. I'm blending that into my crease as a transition colour. Just keep blending out any harsh lines. Next I'm taking a darker brown shade and applying that in my crease as well, just to define it a bit more. Because this is a dark brown smoky eye, we want to get the colours blending really nicely. Next I'm taking an even darker brown shade. You could use this for your eyebrows as well, but I'm just going to place that all over my lid. Next I'm taking the brown shimmery shade in the middle and applying that on my eyelid, just on top of that dark brown shade. And I'm going back in with the lighter brown shade to blend the two colours together. Next I'm doing my eyebrows. This is by far the quickest way to do your eyebrows. I've been using this product for almost a year now and I think it gives me such a natural look, and it's quick, easy. Now I'm just brushing through to blend out the colour. Now I'm taking a Q-tip and I'm going to clean up the edges just to get a defined look. And here is the finished look, guys. I hope you like it. I went ahead and added some black eyeliner and mascara, and I finished the rest of my face.